So this is the scenario that your company has two types of opportunity: enterprise opportunity and small business opportunity, each associated with different record types, and following requirements must be enforced through validation rule. So we have to create two record types for the opportunity, that is enterprise opportunity and a small business opportunity. And also the following requirements I have to create using a validation rule. So record type, these record types I have to create. Then amount, this is a standard field which is available on the opportunity object. Then I have to create two users. By default system administrator is available, and I have to create a sales profile user. So the requirement is, if the opportunity has the enterprise opportunity record type, means if a user is trying to create enterprise opportunity record type and he is having sales profile, then only he should be able to enter the amount greater than 50,000. This is the first scenario. And in the second scenario, if the user has the sales administrator profile, if the user has the system administrator profile, they should not be able to save the opportunity with the enterprise opportunity record type. Means if a system administrator profile user is trying to save the enterprise opportunity which is having the amount greater than 50,000, then it should give us error. So these two requirements we have to create by using the validation rule. Currently in my system there are two main users. One is having the system administrator profile which is logged in user Roshan Chavan, and second is a test user which is having the custom sales profile. As per the requirement, these two users are there, and I have also created two record types for the opportunity object, that is enterprise opportunity and small business opportunity. These are two record types, and also I have created the validation rule as per the requirement. So currently no validation rule is active, and if we check that validation rule, it is created for the first scenario, which is if the opportunity has the enterprise opportunity record type. Means if a user is trying to create opportunity which is having the enterprise opportunity record type, then only users having sales profile should be able to enter a value greater than 50,000. So to create an opportunity, to create an enterprise opportunity which is having the amount is greater than 50,000, the user must be the sales profile user. So we have to check that three conditions in the formula, and if all three are true, then only the rule will work and give us the error message. The error message is only sales profile users can save the enterprise opportunity having amount is greater than 50,000. The error message will come on the field that is opportunity amount. So I am using AND operator, so that if all three conditions becomes true, then only the rule will work. So in the first condition we are checking that if the user is creating enterprise opportunity only, if he is creating only enterprise opportunity, then in the second condition we are checking that the profile of the user is not custom sales profile user. If the user which is creating a enterprise opportunity is not the sales profile user and entering amount greater than 50,000, then the error will pop up, because only sales profile users can enter a value for the enterprise opportunity that is greater than 50,000. So this is how this rule will work. So we are checking the syntax. There is no syntax error found, and I'm going to save this. Now no rule is activated. So if we are trying to create an opportunity, So if we try to save the opportunity which is having the value greater than 60,000, then it is not giving us any error. But if we activated this validation rule, and trying to edit or and save the opportunity, as soon as we are trying to save the opportunity, it will give us error that only sales profile users can save the enterprise opportunity having amount greater than 50,000. This is the same error which we have defined in the error message field in the validation rule. So users which are not having sales profile cannot save the opportunity record. So this is my second user, which is the test user, which is having the profile of custom sales user. So if I try to create opportunity for enterprise opportunity, having value greater than 50,000, then it is not giving us error for the test user, because this test user is having the profile of the custom sales profile, so it is not giving us error. For the second scenario, I have created a second validation rule. So first we will deactivate the first validation rule. Now the second validation rule for the second validation rule, the scenario is if the user has the system administrator profile, means a user which is having the system administrator profile, they should not be able to save an opportunity with the enterprise opportunity record type and the amount greater than 50,000. Means if a system administrator is trying to create enterprise opportunity which is having the amount greater than 50,000, so if he tries to save, it should give us the error. So here are also three conditions. First is if the profile is the system administrator profile and the opportunity record type is enterprise opportunity, and if amount is greater than 50,000, if both three conditions are true, then the error should then the validation rule should work and give us the error. So I'm using AND operator so that I can check that all the conditions becomes true, then only the rule should work. So first I'm checking that profile.name equals to system administrator. So if the current user's profile is system administrator and he is trying to create enterprise opportunity with having amount greater than 50,000, so the rule will work and the error will pop up like system administrator cannot save enterprise opportunities having amount greater than 50,000, and the error will come on the top of the page. So now if I tries to So now the rule is not activated, and if I try to save the opportunity having value greater than 50,000, so it will not give us any error. But as soon as I activate the rule, and if the system administrator user is trying to save or trying to enter the value greater than 50,000 and tries to save, he will get the error. The error says system administrators cannot save enterprise opportunities having amount greater than 50,000. So this is how the second scenario will work, and the error is same as it is populated on the opportunity.